Hello and welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial number 30, Effect of long duration rainfall on the stability of sandy clay slope using PLAXIS 2D. So we will have a similar geometry of the previous lecture, except we will have a different type of soil. In previous lecture we had a dense sandy soil, but in this tutorial we will have a sandy clay soil for this slope geometry. And also we will have a long duration rainfall. If you remember, in previous lecture we have a rainfall intensity 5 millimeter per hour, and the rainfall duration was 3 hours and 6 hours. But in this tutorial the rainfall intensity will be 10 millimeter per hour, which is 0.24 meter per day, and we will have three scenarios for duration. We will have 12 hours and 1 day, and also 2 day, and 1.247. So as you can see, when there is no rainfall, the factor of safety is quite high and the slope is stable, which is equal to 0.16. And after 12 hours of rainfall, the safety factor decreases to 1.764. But when there's a long duration rainfall after 1 day or 2 days, we can see the factor of safety decreases, and it's 1.282 after 1 day, and decreases more to 1.247 after 2 days. So still after 12 hours the safety factor seems good, and we can say the slope is stable. But if the rainfall continues after 1 day or 2 days, we can see the safety factor is low, and maybe it's not acceptable by most of the guidelines and practice code. So that's why in this situation we need to improve the slope, and as we know, we have very mitigation methods to protect the slope in case of rainfall, and we will have various methods for improvement or mitigation of slopes in the following modules. We can see in this condition, again the pore water pressure increases a little bit. As we can see, it is 360.5 kilonewton per square meter, and this is the highest water table in this slope after 2 hours of rainfall. So this was for this lecture, and I hope it was clear and useful. When you have any question or doubt, you can write down a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.